Hello everyone. How have you been? I hope you are so fine. I hope you are doing well. So this is your boy, the one who explores the world and show you at the same time what he is exploring. Yeah. Today I have come over here just to explore this place alongside with my people. I mean with you. So I'm gonna show you the way Malagarazi River looks like at this time. Yeah. And let you know that we are in rain season. We are in a rain season, so everything has changed. Yeah, water has changed its color. Just the speed of water, even the look of both borders of this Malagarazi River. So stay tuned. Let me show you the way it looks like nowadays. Yeah. Yes. Here it is. That is Malagarazi River, as you see. That is flowing water, as you see. Those are two attached traditional boats made up of wood planks. Those two bottles, they are attached together with a rope, but not a rope, just with a chain, a steel chain, just to prevent them from being taken by the speed of water. That is it. At this side, I'm surrounded by these trees. Yeah, dangerous trees, as you see. They contain that they carry the smallest thorns, as you see. Smallest thorns. Very dangerous. Once you hang them, your body may be torn. So they are totally dangerous. I mean these trees. Yeah. And at that side there is the smallest bush, the smallest grass, growing grass. You see, that is it. And at that side there is a growing tree and a big tree. Let me try to approach it. Yeah. Let us try to approach it. Let me get closer to it. And you see, check the way its roots looks like. They are already out. These are the roots of this strong tree at this border of Malagarazi River. You see, those are leaves, branches, and the leaves of this tree. As you see, so amazing. And this tree is growing at this side of Malagarazi River. As you see, there is water, there is flowing water of Malagarazi River. This is the sand at this side. The sand. This is the sand. That is it. Yeah. And the main point of the we're gonna see together the way nowadays water looks like. Check the way it looks like. Extremely dirty. Dirty. Full of mud. Extremely dirty. It is dirty water. Yeah. This is due to the effluents that flow inside it. They come from up country within dirty water, and finally that water gets inside this Malagarazi River, and the result is this one. Water becomes so dirty. Yes. Let me show you also. Here at this side there is an affluent. But that one has the safe water. I mean the proper water. Its water is not yet dirty at all, like the one of Maragalas. I don't know why. Maybe this one doesn't have so many effluents that put water inside it. This is the case of this one. Check the way its water looks like. This is an effluent of MARAGALAZI river, but its water doesn't look like the one of MARAGALAZI. And check where they get closer. Once they get mixed, check the way MARAGALAZI water and the other side water. They don't look the same. Yeah, this is the fact. Yes, that site over there is a sea. That is in the other country. That is the border of the other country. Yeah, over there. Once you reach there, you are in Tanzania side. Yes, over there it is in the Tanzania side. But where I'm staying right now, here I'm in Burundi. Yes, these are the traditional boats that I told you that they are made of wooden planks. Wooden planks, as you see, those two ones. Let me try to get inside them. Gonna get inside. I'm gonna get inside. As you see, now I'm already over it. So I'm trying to get inside it. This is the case. Now I'm already there inside it. Yeah. Now I'm inside it. I'm floating. I'm floating over this MARAGALAZI river, as you see. I'm inside it, as you see. Yes. I'm floating over this water, this river, as you see. Extremely amazing. It is extremely amazing. Check the way water looks like. Check the way it looks like. So dirty, full of mud. Extremely dirty. I think you can't even consume it. No, very dirty. So I hope you have totally enjoyed this video. And if you are new, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave a comment, and don't forget to share so to help others to benefit any vlogs that will be uploaded to my YouTube channel. Remain the best, my people. I love you so much.